Okay? This is a wallpaper removal. This is what happens when you don't paint the wall properly. Check this out. Look. We already removed the wallpaper. It's on the floor. That's what you had to do. When you remove wallpaper, covering the floor plus the existing wallpaper on the walls, you put it on the floor. It's like a double cover. Now we're doing is removing this right here. It's the backing of the paper. See? You put water and remove. But still, we have to do a lot of work tomorrow with the plastering. We have to plaster all the walls. Okay? This is D&L Wall Design, Miami Wall Covering on the bay. Thank you for watching. Okay, what we're doing right now is trimming down on the table. Sécalo ahí. Agregándole. Trim. Make sure you check twice. This is trimming down on the table. Precision type. Precision trimming. Each one, we're gonna do this. Of course, this takes time to do it. This is Philip Jeffries. Precision cut. This is what we cut. Precision cut. Philip Jeffries put us super hard to do this. But when it's like hand painting like this, it's a custom paper. It will cost more to install. It will cost more to buy this paper. That's how it's gonna look. Show them. One side of the dots had to be cut out. One side had to be cut out, and the other side had to be. This is more or less because you have to double cut it now, later on the wall. They don't put, see, they put trimming here. They put trimming on this side, but they did it wrong. They're supposed to do it here, because this is where we're gonna trim. In order to have the whole square, this is more or less square. More or less. Now make sure you change the blade. Every time you use it, change it. New blades every time you cut. See, we have to cut this side to the left side. We have to cut this side. See, even though it says trim here, we have to cut it for this side. The final result right here. This is the final result. See, one side cut, one side not cut. Why? It's because of this. Okay, match, perfect. This is why we cut one side and the other side not. This is D&L Wall Design. Thank you for watching. Okay, this is the installation process. This is the first 2 panels. This is how it has to look. This is the way it has to look in the final. Ready? So we have to work it out. The seam. You will see the seam on the side, because it's a handprint. You have to work it out. You have to work it out. You look good. And you can see the lines. Oh, perfect. Uy, señor, no, ninguna hora, ¿no? Okay, this is the final product. This is D&L Wall Design from Philly Jeffries. This is beautiful wallpaper on 3D. This is beautiful wallpaper. Wow. This is D&L Wall Design.